Holy moly. Definitely, do you see that? Look at the, there is, yo! Oh my God, look at that.
Oh my God, it's a hurricane.
Hurricane. We have a legitimate water spout going on the lake right now.
Oh my God, there's a funnel cloud. It's a funnel cloud. I can see it.
It's a pure funnel cloud here, look at this.
No,
Look,
don't
get
it.
No.
Guys, it's
Don't worry, we're fine. Look at this. Pure funnel cloud right now.
Guys,
get a camera. Get a camera. Don't worry. This
is sick. Don't worry. Holy moly.
Guys, please be careful.
Hold the door open.
Holy moly, look at that. Holy moly.
Get back here, please.
Do you see that? Holy moly. I have never seen that before on our lake. That is a pure hitting down. That is ridiculous. Holy moly. It's sucking shit up. You could see like 3 or 4, don't worry. That's ridiculous. It's just ripping through the across the lake here. I'm not. That is ridiculous. Look at that. That is a pure funnel cloud. Just ripping through here. That close up, holy moly. Touchdown in the middle of the lake. Just ripping through. Wow. Definitely close to 80 mile-an-hour winds there. You can see, if you can see the top of the sky there, you can see it forming off the clouds here. Holy moly. You can just see it. Ready to touch down. And it is coming through there pretty quickly. And it looks almost on the left, you can see a second one maybe trying to start. This is pretty incredible. I've been in White Juan, but I never seen this. Hurricane Juan was even crazier, but holy moly. I've never been this close. Easily could have come through our area. No doubt. No doubt. Look at that. I don't know how well focused that is, but
look at how big that
yeah. Did you see it really? That was getting crazy. And it's going now, look at that.
Look how big those things are compared to the paddle boat.
Yeah.
Like the bushes that it's throwing around in the wind are probably like 4 feet tall.
Oh, that was blatantly ridiculous. Holy moly. I guess it's going off in the distance now. You can kind of see it, but holy moly. I mean, that's going to go back wherever it wants to go. You're what? Oh, wow. Definitely damaged. You can see it's still going. Oh, wow. Everything, table's gone over. This stuff, sailboat on the dock here. And it's still ripping through things. See that? Holy moly. And it's still going. You can see it right there. Yeah, you okay? No, just wait. I'm gonna just watch this for a second or two. Just give me a little bit of time. We'll get it back over. You can see a tree. I'm not sure if you can see that, but a tree just went right up into that funnel cloud and came right back down. Not sure how good my camera is, but you can blatantly see it there. Wow. It's just landed and it went boom. Holy moly. Okay, I'm gonna go help with them over there, but that's still going. Like, easily for the last 5 or 6 minutes, still hasn't disappeared. I can still see it up there. I'm not sure if anybody else can, but that's pretty nuts. Look at that. Look at that. And then it's just clear skies over here. Look at that. Look at that. Clear skies, and then boom, darkness. And then right in over there, right there. You can see it's getting a little bit hazier, but it looks good. Still definitely ripping upon the face of the earth here. Yeah, it looks like it's just staying still right now. Holy moly. The boat, cottage, stuff all over the lawn. I mean, we fixed pretty quickly up, but like, wow, it's still pretty bad.